Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn outreach automation with Dux-Soup detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Dux-Soup website. Once there, click on the Get Started button. You will need to create an account if you haven't already. Fill in your email address and choose a strong password. Check your email for a verification link and click on it to activate your account. After verification, log in to your Dux-Soup account. Next, download the Dux-Soup Chrome extension. Head to the Chrome Web Store and search for Dux-Soup. Click on the Add to Chrome button to install. Once installed, you will see the Dux-Soup icon in your browser toolbar. Click on the Dux-Soup icon to open the extension. You will be prompted to log in with your Dux-Soup account. Enter your credentials and sign in. Now that you are logged in, go to your LinkedIn profile. Dux-Soup needs to access your LinkedIn account for automation. Allow necessary permissions when prompted. With Dux-Soup activated, navigate to the Leads section. You can import your leads either by uploading a CSV file or using LinkedIn search. If uploading a CSV, click the Import button and choose your file. If using LinkedIn searches, perform a search for your target audience on LinkedIn. As you view profiles, click the Dux-Soup icon to save leads directly from LinkedIn. After saving leads, you can create outreach sequences. Go to the Campaigns tab in your Dux-Soup dashboard. Click on Create New Campaign to set up your outreach. Fill in the details for your campaign, including messages to be sent. You can customize the message for different lead segments. Once set, schedule your outreach to run automatically. You can adjust settings such as the delay between actions as needed. When everything looks good, click on the Start Campaign button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.